In June, a dairy farm walk took place. Hosting a farm walk is a way of sharing knowledge and showcasing how things are done on the farm with other farmers. Topics discussed on the farm walk included fertilizer program to achieve optimum soil fertility, resulting in more grass and increased milk yields. Measures taken to ensure milk quality. Steps taken to ensure sufficient grazing and silage. Breeding program to breed the best replacement cows.
25 kilos. But I mean, growth rate was slipping. I mean, I know the farm is capable of growing 80, 90, 100 when things are going well, and even above 100. Don't run down the cover of the farm.
Press the subscribe button to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Click on the cards to see my other similar videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.